Hello everyone, so I am here. I'm gonna do the pão de milho, which is cornbread, Portuguese cornbread. Completely different from the American cornbread, if you're familiar with the Portuguese cornbread. And I'm gonna use yellow flour. It's my first time using the yellow flour, so let's see how this works. Anyways, I have 2 cups of corn flour. I am using this one, the organic, the Bob's Red Mill, and I have 2 cups of it, and we have to scald this. So that means that we have to use boiling water. So I'm gonna use 1.5 cups of boiling water, and I'm gonna mix it into the corn flour. So here we go. That is boiling water. And I'm just gonna mix. It gets a little harder to mix after you incorporate the both of them, but that's okay because you don't have to over mix it. Just make sure that the water is mixed in. Okay, and now I'm gonna let this rest because this dough should not be too hot to mix with the regular flour. I am using today this new bread flour that is gluten-free plus vegan. That's not what I meant to do. I meant to just use bread flour, but this is what I got. So I'm gonna try it. Hopefully it works good. And also to make I'm gonna make the yeast while that's cooling down. So I have here 1/2 cup of warm water. And when I say warm water, this is really important because you do not wanna kill the yeast. So it cannot be too hot, and it has to be warm enough where it will grow. So usually what you could use a thermometer. Around 90 degrees should be okay. But if you don't have one, and I never use, so let's say when you bathe a baby and you test the water, should be warm, not hot. It's the same. So just warm water. And then I have 1.5 teaspoons of the yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of regular flour. And you mix that. Mix it good. We're gonna dissolve all that. Okay, and I'm gonna let this rest and let it double its size, maybe triple. So the corn dough has cooled down, and now I have my yeast. As you can see, it's all bubbly, beautiful. That's exactly how we want it to look like. So I'm gonna use the 3 cups of regular flour, all-purpose, I think. Let's do that again. The cornmeal already cooled down, and now I have the yeast, and it's nice and bubbly. That's how you want it to look like. That means it's active. And I have 3 cups of the regular all-purpose flour. I changed my mind. I'm gonna use all-purpose because I don't want to ruin that other flour. I want to make it like maybe a gluten bread one of these days. So I'm gonna add that 3 cups all-purpose flour. I have here 2 tablespoons of regular sugar.
Can you try?
1 teaspoon of salt. I have 2 tablespoons of regular butter. Any kind of butter is fine.
Milk.
It's a little melted.
I got to mix it too.
Yeah, Mama's gonna give you some dough, okay? Don't worry, in a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna put the yeast.
Yeast.
Thank you, honey.
And
And again, I have here 1.5 cups of warm water. Gabriela wants to help, okay. But I'm gonna add a little by little, okay? Mommy's not gonna add the whole thing, just little by little, right? Okay.
2 cups.
And I'm gonna smush it, like smush. To mix together. Okay, you can put some water, honey. Okay, that good?
When you mix up, then you need to have more water.
Yeah, a little more water, baby.
Right now?
Uh-huh. Okay, that's good. I put a 1.5 cups of warm water again in that measuring cup. I don't know if I'm gonna use it all. Here you go, baby. You can put some more. I think I will use it all, but I'm gonna go slowly. Okay, honey, more. Good girl. So you want this dough to be a little sticky. Hold on. Mommy's not sure. I think maybe it's good. No. I think Mommy's good. Let's see how much is left there. There's 1/2 cup left, so I only used 1 cup of warm water. So this step is gonna depend on your flour, so I would say go easy on it and make sure that your dough is a little sticky, like that. But not too sticky. But it's definitely gonna be sticky. And now I'm just gonna leave it.
For a tiny bit.
I'm gonna cover it with some plastic wrap
Yes.
after I clean my hands.
Then it has maybe like you sit on the couch for a little bit.
And then we wait for a little bit sitting on the couch. She's right.
Yes.
Okay, there we go. I'm gonna cover it and leave it maybe 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
So put flour over it and on the sides. You unstuck it from the bowl. And now I'm gonna pick it up with my hands. And I'm gonna go like this. And in the pan. A little bit of flour on top. And it's gonna go in the oven for 100 for about 45 minutes. The cornbread, the palm meat is ready. It was in the oven for about an hour at 400 degrees. I'm gonna cut it and show you how it looks on the inside. Really nice crumb, nice and fluffy on the inside. It's gonna be delicious with our Portuguese beans, feijoada.